This ReeceNichols Blue Springs property video is presented by Vicki Hutcherson. Spacious straight ranch with 2 full separate living quarters. Main floor offers large great room west/gas frplc, kid/brk fast room west/wood floor, snack bar, pantry, built-in desk and tons of cabinets and counter space. 3 BRS including main bedroom and bath with huge walk-in closet. Finished walkout bsmt has family room. Full kitchen, 2 bedrooms, second laundry and full bath west/shower. Vinyl siding, covered front porch, covered back deck. Privacy fenced yard west/shed. Call this one home for more information, review the details below.